Welcome to another Atlantis Rail installation video. Today we'll be installing a RailEasy Tensioner. The tools you need are the installation template, the recommended 14-inch cable cutter or smaller cable cutter, power drill, installation tools, pencil for marking, safety glasses, gloves, spool of cable, and the RailEasy Tensioners. The first step is to use the installation template to mark where to pre-drill the post for tensioners. Our installation template ensures the tensioners are properly spaced on the post. Use a power drill and 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill each hole. Put the tensioner in place and use the supplied screws and number 2 square head driver bit to secure the post. Take cable and lace through posts and stabilizers in your project. Once the RailEasy tensioners are mounted on your post, insert the cable inside the receiver cone. Once the cable is fully seated, use the 3/8 wrench to hold the tensioner stud in a fixed position while tightening the cone using a 7/16 wrench. After all the cables are run and installed into the tensioners, it is time to tension the cable. Hand tighten the tensioner body. Hold the tensioner stud in a fixed position using the 3/8 wrench and rotate the body using a 5/16 wrench. Continue this process by alternating working above and below the center cable for optimal results. Once all cable runs are tensioned, tighten the lock nut with the 7/16 wrench while holding the tensioner stud with a 3/8 wrench. Your RailEasy cable railing system is now installed. For more information and in-depth installation instructions, visit our website. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.